Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a jello with fruits for healthy snacks for your little ones and for us too. So we're going to use a gelatin bar. This is made in the Philippines and you can buy this in the Asian store or in a grocery in an Asian section. So we call this gulaman, gelatin or agar-agar. But of course, we also know that we can buy a jello packet into the store. But this one is already ready mixed, so sugar and everything. But how about if you cannot eat sweet or sugar? So this is the solution. This one you can add sugar or not. It's perfect for your dessert or your snack. So yeah, I have here some chopped pears, a chopped peaches, and a chopped pineapple. This one is ideal for your little one's snacks in school too. So it's healthy because there's a fruits in it. And not all fruits, of course, fruits are also, fresh fruits is also good. But if you're going to eat straight away, you can use fresh fruits. But if you meant to keep it for later use or for later snack, and fresh fruit is not advisable because after you cut it, if you don't eat straight, it changes the color. So we can use canned fruits that we can buy into our grocery store. So we have here, and if you want the flavoring, you can add vanilla extract, but I'm using lemon extract. So how are we going to prepare? We have a pot and we're going to break this into a pot and add the cold water and keep it there for at least 30 minutes. And then we're going to boil it after 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, after boiling, when everything is melt, then we can add our sugar, our extracts for flavor. And then some people let it cool down. And then how long it's gonna be cool down before you're going to put in your fridge, right? But for me, I'm gonna boil it. After boil it, I'm gonna add cold water. So this is faster to get cool down, and we can add all our fruits, and then we can pack into container, just like a small container. This is a nice size for a snack for your little one and for you too. So this one we can keep it into our fridge, and it's perfect. It's tight. So if you go to the store and you can find a small container just like this, and then it's ideal for your homemade gelatin or jello. Okay, so we're going to boil our gulaman or gelatin stick bar. In this gelatin bar, they all go to different color too. So there's a green, yellow, and red, or I don't know but white. Yeah, if you don't want color, then you can use white. So today I'm going to use yellow and red. So while we're boiling that, we're going to scoop all the fruits, put into our container. So we're going to fill up our container with our choice fruits. You can add any kind of fruits that you like. You can you like strawberry fruits, this also can. A ripe strawberry and pear or mango. It's also can. It's better if you can add your little one's favorite fruits, and that's way they can eat their fruits. Okay, so we're going to fill it up. This is perfect for the jello mix. Yes. So it's up to you if you want to one fruits in a one jello, or you also can add a variety like mixing together. Just like that. So your pear fruits cut or chop into small pieces. And this also good for your elderly to have their dessert. So we don't fill up until full. So we need to leave a space for our jello mix. So today I'm going to add only 3/4 cup of sugar into our jello. So you have pineapple in here. I'm gonna peel it up. And you can chill this and then keep it into your fridge until you want to eat, or you want to give to your little ones a dessert or like a treat. And don't forget, we're going to mix our jelly. See, we put in a boil and it's almost boiling. So we just wait until everything is melted, and then we can add cold water and then add our fruits of choice. And be careful when you're adding your water too, because if too much water is, your gelatin is not gonna be firm. So one bar stick of the gelatin is equivalent to 2 and 3/4 cup of water. But because I want it cool down faster, the 2 bars I only add 2 cups and 3/4 cup of water, and then later the other 2 cups and 3/4 cup of water we're going to be a cold water. So in that case we can cool down faster, and then we add our fruits, and then we're going to chill into our fridge. And until then, when you need it, you can just take it one container and you can enjoy it. So as you can see here, it's starting to melt. We need to stir it because we don't want to burn. And of course, the fire is only a medium fire. And again, if you want to add sugar, it's also can, but if you don't, it also can. You can just add your fruit of choice, and you already have a healthy snack. it's boiling and it's all melt, so we can add our lemon juice. And our sugar. So you stir it. Now the sugar is melting and we turn off. And we're going to add the cold water that I chilled in the fridge. So our containers all filled up and ready to pour our gelatin mixture. Okay, we're going to pour it now. Alright, we're going to start filling up our container. We make it sure that we're not gonna fill up until overflow, because when we cover it, it's going to be spilled. So we need to leave a space, enough space to put the cover in. So like this, and when we close it, and the content is not full, it's not overflowing. Yeah, we make it sure that we're going to fill up our container before it harden, or else we're gonna be a disaster. Or maybe not, we can just eat it, but only we cannot put into our container. Yeah, you can add cold water, half of the water that you going to add it. Boiled example is 2 cups for 1 stick of gelatin bar, and you're going to add only 1 cup, and then the other 1 cup is be cold water. So in that way, you're not going to wait for long until it cool down. It's faster to cool down, faster to make, and then we're going to chill into our fridge. So it's not gonna take so long to make this, like in 15 to 20 minutes, and then you already have your healthy snack with Jello. And remember, make it sure that the water that you add is just enough, because if too much, our gelatin is not going to be set. Okay, so we all filled it up, the container. you go. Ta-da! See? This all how much we can make with just 2 stick of gelatin bar. So I'm gonna show you the difference what I'm adding divide the water that for boiling water I only add 1 cup of the water to boil, and the other cup is a cold water. You know what is the difference? Well, I had made here, I used 2 cups of boiling water and melted out all the gelatin bar, but as you can see, it's already 45 minutes and it's still not set. And while the hot boiled water plus cold water mixed together, and it's only not even 1 minute, it's already setting. See? And you already have your ready to go snack, fruit snack with jello. And all this you can keep into your fridge and they're gonna last forever. You can keep it in your fridge, and then every time you want a dessert, then you can get one. Or you want to go, like you're working or your children is going to school, they can bring 1 container and then they have a healthy snack. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I hope you can learn something new today. And thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do, and please share to your friends too. And don't forget to click like. And enjoy your healthy snack. Goodbye!